I will call you not every Saturday night, and we both stay until the morning light, and we sing, here we again. And I thought I close, but I'll always be in the club with you in 1973. And sing here again. Ah, good time. Good time, Yuuko. Yeah, I guess so. Anyway, sorry, guy. I'm Donald Duck, and this is Yuuko. Welcome to Yuuko Adventure. I am the guy. For that, you guys see the last video, just watch it on the channel. Just make sure I will put my channel link below, and I just feel happy right now, guys. Anyways, guys, I think I will enjoy the video, and I see you guys next. Yeah. Anyways, I feel better now, and I feel happy right now. Today is a good day. Today is Sunday. Wednesday. And Yuuko, you want to see this? Sure. I'll put the music up. Anyways, this I had all the picture, and I will show you that. Okay. This picture is the Rika draw. This from Namno Bible. This is Nagisha holding her hand. Jesus Christ, Nagisha. You can't look at me like that. And that I feel creepy with that. That her eye like that. She's cool. And this is that picture of Hashimiko. Wow, I know about Hashimiko. I could be like the next Hashimiko. Yeah, this song, but I will do it in her version. Anyways, Yuuko, I remember this a long time ago. And that's my favorite part. Well, and why you listen to 1973? My dad sang the 1973. In fact, he sang it with my mom. Huh. Anyways, I got a feeling that it'd be perfect with that. Because anyways, now that happened, but you guys still here? Yeah. What the hell are you watching to? 1973. So, yeah, come on, guy. Well, Donald, I got a feeling about that. You okay? I'm okay. Shocker. Anyways, I got a feel about that, but I don't know what to do. Violin, I could be like that. The singer of the violin maybe would be big, but yeah, it'd be perfect. I'll become the fourth. Anyways, this. I know what to do, guy. What happened, Donald? I heard some strange noise. What? I heard pumping outside, and then now he say Carlos. Carlos? Yeah, that's a name. Carlos. Why, that's crazy. How? Okay, who? And Instagram. You're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. I love the song. Can you show me what happened? This? Sure. Because this is a strange noise. Okay, Donald. I will go there. Yeah, okay. Ah, shit. Anyways, I will just. I heard the voice. Just close the video. Just close. Anyways. Why can't they be? I heard the voice. Oh, it's not there. The song. Just sleeping. I can't think about what happened. Yeah, I can't believe it. This is I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh my god. Aioi, Dono. What the hell was happening upstairs? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Kirby, stay back. Go away. There's a song. Oh yeah. Oh come on, Donna. Just shut him and go. Alright. Let's cut the next video. Well, I gotta feel better, Donna. But what the hell are we doing here? Well, you're gonna say that because this is a noise you're talking about. Straight noise downstairs. Oh my god, so creepy now. Oh, come on, 1973. 1973. Yep, I love the song. I know, why Yuuko? This is the best song I love. Donald, just tell me. Just fucking tell me right now. By the way. 1973. Well, I gotta say that, Yuuko. I got a feeling this song be a hit. It's already a hit, Donald. Well, whatever. Well, thank you for watching. You guys can see. I hope you enjoyed the day. Oh, yeah, okay. Damn, Yuuko. Let's just leave the tablet for now, and then we're gonna get it after the song is over. Yuuko? Yeah? Fuck. And I'm gonna fuck you up now, dumb. Oh, come on! Anyways, let's just stop it now. Good deal.